Good morning, everyone. This is going to be just a little update on the Rokon build or restoration. Made a lot of progress in the past couple of days here, maybe a week. Had to take the fender off because it was hitting the exhaust. And so today is just going to be like, I did a little shop cleanup, put some tools away, whatnot. And so, of course, exhaust painted, I cleaned it up and painted it. Engine's installed. The gearbox was on since the last time. Took a link out of the chain. The chain is now fitted properly. Put some oil in the forks, put new grips on, installed the brakes on the front, ready to be ready for the new hoses. I ordered a master cylinder for the handlebars. I had the brake hoses made. Of course, you know, having a hard time finding stuff. New carburetor installed, the little Makuni. Not a problem. Got some new brake line for the tank. The tank has been painted and ready to be installed eventually. I'm gonna try to find some decals. And of course, clean my workbench. And let's see. Here's my brake issues. So this is the rear pad. And it's on eBay. I'm gonna have to call the guy, order it. But it's not, it's really hard to find. So this is the rear caliper, which is where this pad goes. It's held in place by a spring. There's a live side and a dead side, so to speak. And that's how it works. So put a spring on the kickstand. That works. Install the chain guard. Master cylinder installed. Chain is adjusted. So we've made some progress here in the past since we spoke last. And I want to send a shout out to Mr. Mike Murphy in Northern Virginia. I was on the phone with him the other day. He's a contact for Rokon stuff, and he has been a wealth of knowledge. He pointed out some mistakes I've made in putting this thing together, and through his tutelage, I have made the changes. So if you see this, Mr. Murphy, so here's where we're at. All installed properly. And this is where we're going. Kill switch. It's up on the bars there. I know this to some folks may not seem like a lot or very much, but these motorcycles have a unique following, and you know they're vintage, but man, they're pretty cool. So I'm having a lot of fun doing this, and I'm excited to finish this project. And I'm so grateful to have met Mr. Murphy and you know, be a contact and a source for parts and experience and you know, technical knowledge with these bikes. He's he's like a dictionary. He's amazing. So I'm really excited about that. So I am using little by little some of these parts. Some of them are not going to be used. Some of them are, I'm going to, once that bike is done, I'm going to start working on that one. And this one probably won't be to the level of the other bike, but at least it'll be a runner, maybe, hopefully. And I have to work on that engine over there to get it going. I probably have to do a top end job on it. So, just a little update. I mean, nothing serious, nothing, just progress. You know, little by little, things are happening, and I'm excited to share with you. And I just want to, you know, make sure we point out that, you know, we're not doing this alone. You know, I made a contact with Mr. Murphy, Mike Murphy up there, and man, I'm so grateful for that. But it's gonna be fun. We're gonna get close. We're getting closer every day, and just have a good time with it. Appreciate all of you. Make sure you like and subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it. And thanks to those who are watching. But, you know, here we go. Continue on.